To edit in bulk the background of multiple rows, you want to make sure that they are within the same section. So if we look at this newsletter here, you can see this green section at the top. It ends at the bottom of my newsletter. And this is the way it is usually because you will need to add a section if you really want to do it. Otherwise, we will add all of your rows, the ones that are highlighted in yellow here, one row, another row. We will add them all within the same section. And this means that when you edit the section, you can then choose a background color for the center of your section, so this center column here, and or for the outer background outside of the center column. So for example, here I can change the center from this white color to blue, and now you can see my whole center column has changed to blue, except for some of the rows, these ones for example, and the one at the bottom, because if I click apply so I can show you how those ones were edited, if we edit those rows, you can see that they also have a background color set up on them. So this means that you can edit in bulk using the section menu, and then you can of course granularly change the background of some of the rows if you wanted using row edit option. And just to clarify, you have the smaller elements. For example, here I've got an image that I can edit, and you see for smaller elements like text, you know, single elements basically, so text, images, all those things that you can drag and drop from this left menu here, or single pieces of content that you've dragged and dropped from your library, they will be single elements and they're highlighted in purple. And then you've got columns, so you can see here I've got a column and the menu for this one is blue. Then you've got rows on the left hand side and the menu here is always yellow, they're highlighted in yellow. And then you've got the sections that are highlighted in green, and like I said, by default we won't add section unless you decide of course to add them. So all of your newsletter will be within the same section. If you want to add a section, you can always do it from here, new section, and then you would drag and drop the section. And another tip that might be helpful for you also is to have a look at the newsletter setting here, clicking the cog icon, and from there you can set up a background color, which would be for the outside of the newsletter in this case. So I hope this is clear, and if you have any further questions, just remember to open the chat and let us know.